Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Chris Brown here with Angel Numbers 10 Toes. Alright, it's a nice song there. And we have this melody high up here with the capo set on the 7th fret with the notes we want to have. Combine that with some simple chords. That's the reason for capo on 7th. So let's start with that and let's go over the 4 chords needed for the song. So we're gonna go at A minor, C major 7, F, and G. So starting with A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the C major 7, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. We have F now, that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the final G here. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so I'm gonna go now through the melody here, what's needed for that, and then the string pattern, and then see what you're gonna work with. If you're gonna go with melody or string, that's up to you. But anyway, let's start with the notes and the hardest part now, chord by chord. And this is pretty much A minor, C, and F, the first half of it, and then the second half of it would be A minor, C, F, and G. That's the chord progression, and that goes round and round. So we're gonna look at the first half, the A minor, C major, and F. Starting with A minor, it's like this. So that is open A together with open E, then 2nd D, 1st B, open A, and 2nd D. Then we have the C major. You're gonna play like this. So that is 3rd on A together with open E, then 3rd B, then 3rd A, 3rd B, 3rd A, and then 1st B. And then we have the F. All right, so it goes for 2 rounds. The first round of F has one ending, and the second round of F has a different ending. So the first part goes like this. And the second round goes, or second half of it. Okay, so the first half was 1st on E string together with 2nd G, then 1st E, 2nd G, 1st E, and 3rd A. That's the first half. This 3rd A note is the ending part. Then the second round you play all the notes in the same way again, starting with to this point. And instead of playing the 3rd A, you play 2 notes on the B string, 3rd fret B string, and then 1st B. So the first ending was just with the 3rd A string, and the second ending was with 3rd and 1st B string. So that's the first half of it, A minor, C major, and F. It goes like this slowly. Alright, and then you're gonna play the second half of it. That goes A minor, C major, F, and G. So you're gonna play A minor in the same way, exact same way. And then comes the C major, almost in the same way. It goes like this. So everything is the same. Instead of playing we can actually go over all the notes, and I will explain what notes is different here. So that will be 3rd on A together with open E, then 3rd B, then 3rd A, and now comes the new notes here. Instead of playing the 3rd B again, you play the open B string, and then the rest is the same. third A, and first B. All right, and then we have the F part left. You're gonna play 2 rounds almost of the F part. You're gonna play the first round in the exact same way as you play the first F, with the third A string as the ending note. That's the first round of it, so it goes like this. And then you start on the first fret E string, then second G, and then first B. And that's the end of the F part. Now comes the G part in here. It goes like this. So that is third fret on E string together with third B, then first B, and third B. And that's it for the melody, all right? So I'm gonna take you through slowly the second half of this part. A minor, C major, F, and G. It goes like this. Alright, so there you have everything you need to know when it comes to the melody. Alright, so let's go over to the strumming. And we have one strumming pattern that goes down, down, up, clap, down. So we'll start with the A minor since that is the first chord. So one string around goes down, down, up, clap, down. This. And the first down, down, up is the part 1, and then you have part 2, clap down, that fulfills the full string around there. So down, down, up, and then clap down. All right. Like that. All right, so let's go over this strumming here. We're gonna start with A minor, 1 full round, C major, 1 full round, and F, 4 rounds. Sorry, 2 rounds. So A minor 1, C major 1, and F 2. All right, that's the first half of it. And then you're gonna play A minor 1, C major 1, then F 1 plus down, down, up, and then you go over to G and play down, down, up. So the part 1, and that is the down, down, up. So the second part was A minor 1, then C major 1, then F1 plus part 1, and then G part 1. And that's it. So slowly, 1 full round goes. Start on the next A minor round again. All right, guys, so that pretty much covers it. Notes for the melody and the strumming and all the chords that are needed for handling Chris Brown's 10 Toes Angel Numbers. So hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, please leave me some feedback on that one. Sorry my voice is bad, and support me here on Goran Guitar. Till next time, guys, play tuned.